We've got a new feature release. Membership has been updated. We now have analytics filtering and the ability to update where our members are. In this feature update, you're going to be able to enable data driven decisions and optimization strategies for business growth through memberships. With this update, you're going to be able to gain valuable insights into your members' behavior. You'll also be able to utilize analytics to refine your membership strategies, and you'll be able to identify trends and patterns in your members' activity. Imagine that you run an online content membership using, of course, the CRM to manage your content delivery and your membership. With Members Analytics, you can now track member engagement and preferences, enabling you to adjust and personalize as well as increase content understanding. So let's go ahead and access the new Members Analytics area. To do that, you're going to click on Membership in the left-hand navigation, and then in the upper navigation, you'll click on Courses. When that opens up, I want you to click Analytics in the drop-down menu. From there, we're going to simply select Members Analytics. Now go ahead and choose Members Analytics. And just so you know, you can also now search within the filters area within Member Analytics. You can actually search by both products and by offers. Oh, the other cool thing is now you're going to see this little eyeball icon, and this is going to allow you to access member details. While you're in those member details, you're going to be able to see member progress. And if you'd like, you can actually mark certain areas as complete for your members. If you'd like, you can also even update the offers simply by clicking the Update Offer button. Now, if you want to make any additional adjustments, go ahead and do that in the same area. You can add new offers or you can remove existing ones. We hope you enjoy this new feature update. Let us know if you need any help at all.